Happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays.
April Viesta next year with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
In this session, we have a Pilates-inspired workout to help you stay steady and strong during the holidays. Now, it's going to feature 10 moves, and yet you can do either standing or seated with my mom, and you don't need any shoes for this workout, all right?
No shoes.
Yes. Now, this workout won't have any bending at the waist or twisting, so this may be helpful for our friends with osteoporosis, all right? So how does this sound, Mom?
Sounds good. We're all decked out. Let's go. Ho, ho,
That's
ho.
right. Ho, 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 everybody. We'll take a pause here and get started. Oh, Mom, want to have a seat?
Sure.
All right,
you.
let's get this holiday Pilates-inspired workout moving. Okay, so yeah, just march it out gently. Let's just move our legs, move our arms, get everything going. Let's get the joints. You can move your hands around. Okay, little figure eights I'm doing here while we're walking. Okay, all right.
Good.
Okay, good. Just give me some nice little gentle reaches up. Okay, or whatever your range of motion is. Good. Very nice. And yes, you know, the holidays can be very stressful, so it's good just to kind of do this little gentle workout with you to just de-stress and relax. Okay, while getting stronger as well. Okay, all right, so nice job on this gentle warm-up. Now our first move is going to be inspired by a Pilates move called the hundreds, right? And so if you know the hundreds, you're basically engaging your core and you're pumping your arms 100 times, all right? But this is how we're gonna do, okay? If you're sitting in the chair, I want you to have your feet flat on the floor, right? You can lean back if you want just a little bit, but keep your back straight.
Okay.
And arms are out straight, palms down, okay? We're engaging our core. Tighten up those abs, bring that belly button into spine, and just pump it, okay? We're just pumping down. You can bring all the way down to your waist, like pump, 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 okay?
Keep your feet on the ground.
Keep your feet on the ground. Keep your feet on the ground and pump it out, okay? You got the motion?
Yeah.
Arms straight, everybody. Engage the core. It's a really
Engage your core. Yeah.
core move. Feel it?
Yeah.
And you're really working your shoulders and arms too, okay? Now, that's just our practice round, okay? All right, now I'll rest, okay? We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 pumps, okay? So for a total of 30, but we probably did about 15 there,
all right.
okay? So here we go. Let's do this, okay? Engage the core. Let's pump it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rest. Take a breath.
Yeah, you can really feel
Breathe.
it. Yeah.
Take a breath and breathe. Let's try that again, everybody. All right, here we go. Holiday pumping. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and rest. Okay. Whew. Can you do one more set?
Absolutely.
All right, everybody.
Never give up.
Take a breath. We're going to do one more set of 10. Okay, so here we go. Okay, ready? Engage the core. Don't forget that. Okay, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and rest.
And you said 100? So
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
100. Usually it's on. You do it on the floor. You're engaging your core and you pump it for 100. Whew. Yeah, it's a good workout. Something to work up to. Okay. All right. Our next move are going to be side leg lifts. And so, if you're seated or standing, this is what I want you to do. You can hold on to something if you're standing, or not do balance move. So I want you to lift that knee up, straighten the leg, kick it out, bring it in, and down. Got it?
Got it.
That's the move. So here we go. We're gonna do 5 on each side.
Okay.
So up, out, and out, out, and down. Okay? That's 2. Up, out, in, and down. Bring it up. Look it out. Out, in, and down. Got it?
Yeah.
In, out, out, in, and down. Very good. Okay, ready? I'm gonna do it on side so people can see this, okay? So bring it up, kick it out, side, in, and down. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is 5, out, out, in, and down. Good. Going for 6, out, out, in, and down. Woo! This is 7, out, out, in, and down. Good. Okay, knee up.
You do the other side?
Kick it out. In and down. You're right. I gave you, oh my gosh, I made you do 7. We're supposed to only do 5 on each side. Okay, so good work, extra credit, everybody. Okay, okay. If you're standing with me, or even if you're sitting, shift that weight to your right side here, okay? So knee up, kick it out, in and down. That's 1. We're going for 5. Knee up, kick it out, out, in and down. That's 2. Yep. Kick it out, in and down. That's 3. Kick it out, in. That's 4. Breathe. One more. Out, in and down.
Ooh.
Nice work.
Yeah,
hey, working the hips big time on that one.
Yeah.
Working your thighs and legs as well. So good job. All right. Next move is, okay, if you're sitting in a chair,
yep.
all right, you might want to be at the edge of your seat. And if you're standing with me, this is what we're doing. You can either flex. We can do toe point. Okay. So one foot is solidly on the ground. Okay. Right. Yeah. Knee bend. And we're just going to leg up and down. Now, what I want you to feel though, really engage that thigh. Okay. So you're lifting your kneecaps, right? Engage the thigh. So it's up and down. Up and down. Good. This is 3. Good. And 4. Nice. And 5 and down and rest. Woo. How's everybody feeling? Check in with your body. Really nice. Working the thighs, okay? We're going to do the other side, okay? So here we go. So shift the weight over, okay? Straight leg. Lift the kneecap. Engage that thigh. 1, 2. You can hold on to the wall if you want. 3. Woo. 4. Tighten the leg. And 5. And rest. Probably really felt that in your thighs.
And you always engage your core, huh?
Oh yes, you're definitely always engaging your core to keep you steady, right? You don't want to be leaning forward or back, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice work. Okay, this one, Mom, I need you to go sit sideways this time. Okay, so one butt cheek on, one butt cheek off, okay?
Yeah.
So if you're sitting in a chair, this is what I want you to do. Leg back and then forward, okay? Back and forward. If you're standing with me, I want you to stand. You can either hold on the wall and I want you to have your toe here, but then lift and down, lift and down. Now, it's very important to stand tall, right? Not to be leaning forward, like, sorry, Mom, leaning forward, okay? You just want to be lifting up and down, okay? So you got that, Mom?
Yeah.
You don't have to go too far back. I just want you to go back and forward, back and forward. Okay, everybody? You ready to do this? Here we go. Let's do 5 on each side, okay? So if I'm standing, slight bend in the standing leg. So up and down. You're going back and forth, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. This is 3. Good. 4 and 5 and rest. Woo!
Doesn't go too far back.
That's okay. I don't need you to go far back.
Okay.
Now I can watch you. Okay, everybody, we're doing the other side. Okay, wait. Okay. Situate yourself, all right? You're sitting or standing tall.
Yeah.
Engage the core, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring that leg back and then forward. Okay? Back and forward. Good. Back and forward. This is 3. Really feel this glute if you're standing. 4 and 5.
It's not easy.
And rest. Yes. It's just like mobility, right? You're just bringing it back and forward, really engaging your glute and your hamstring on that move. Okay, so nice work. Okay, take a breath. Okay, rest. Very nice, everybody. Okay, so our next move, you're sitting in the chair or you're standing. You may want to sit back in your chair a little bit. Okay, get some really kind of get those buttocks on there, right?
Okay.
Okay, one leg is on the floor. So sorry, yeah, you need one foot flat on the floor. You're lifting the other leg straight out, toe pointed. Toe pointed. We're doing little circles, one way. Okay, the whole leg, not just the toes. The coming from the hip, everyone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. Okay, we got to do that on the other. Go the other direction. Other direction.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm giving you rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, nice. If you're standing with me, you can hold on to wall countertop. Okay? All right, or Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to go to the other side now. Okay, so leg straight, toe pointed, right? Coming from the hip, one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rest. Very nice, good job. Let's go the other side, toe pointed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and rest.
Really feel it.
Oh yes, hip, inner thigh, big time. Nice work. This is going to help you as you walk, any type of movement, even helping to prevent falls, because you're really working those muscles to stabilize.
Balance, right?
Yeah, stabilize your legs. Okay, very nice. Okay, so we're moving on to, we're gonna do some upper body stuff. Okay, so take a breath, breathe. All right, we're bringing our arms up, pressing forward. Okay, we're gonna pull it in, and we're gonna press it out to the side. Okay, that's the move. Okay, and I want you to give me 10 of these. Okay, so we're pressing forward, bring it in, press it side. That's 1. Okay, keep it going. And breathe. This is 2. And 3. Very nice. And 4. Breathe.
Keeping your core, right?
Mm-hmm. Always engage the core. 5.
Okay.
Yes, Pilates is all about core work.
Okay.
This is 6. Sit or stand tall. And 7. Really nice. 8. 2 more.
Woo.
9. 1 more. And 10. And rest. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
How are you doing? Check in with your body. So nice work working that upper body, okay? Arms and shoulders. Okay, hey, next we're gonna do a push-up. And believe it or not, you can do it in the chair. Now, if you're doing it in the chair, you're just gonna have your hands on the chair and your elbows are slightly bent. Now, to do the push-up, I just want you to straighten the arms, okay? Just straighten the arms, yes, and relax. You feel that? I want to let you engage your arms. Now, if you're doing it with me, I want you to do this on the wall, okay? Or, you know, you can even do it in sofa or floor is like the most challenging one. But I'm gonna do it on the wall here, okay? So, you with me, Mom?
Yep.
Okay, okay. Arms length against the wall. Here we go. We're lowering down and pressing up, okay? This is 2. Good. 3. 4. Good. Straighten the arms. 5. 6. Push it up. 7. 8. 9. And 10. And rest. Nice work, everybody. Okay. Very good. How those arms feel?
Oh, good.
Oh, I feel it. Good job.
My muscles.
Oh, yeah. Nice work. Okay. Hey, we're coming to the home stretch here. Okay. Either sitting or standing. All I want you to do is just give me some toe taps forward. Tap it forward. Okay? Tap it forward. Okay? You do anything with the arms. I want you to do 10 on each side from here. This is 10. This is 9. And 8. 7.
Like a little dance move.
6. Holiday dance move.
Yeah.
6. This is 5. Happy holidays, everybody.
Yeah.
4.
Ho, ho, ho.
And this is 3. And 2. And 1. And rest. Really, really nice. You know, so proud of you for moving, you know, getting moving during the holidays. It's really hard to fit stuff in, so great job on taking the time for yourself, okay? All right, our last move, just gonna be some marches, engaging the upper and lower body. So it's knee up, arm up, okay?
Opposite arm?
Opposite arm, opposite leg, everybody, okay? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Last final ho 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 move, okay? All right, here we go. 1. This is 2. And 3, stand tall. 4, engage the core. 5, 6, breathe. 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. And rest. Excellent work. Let's
No
cool.
repeats, too.
No repeats. Don't you love it? All right. Let's stretch it out. Okay, so I want you to give me a side leg stretch. So Mom, you're sitting there. One leg is solidly on the floor. 1 foot's on solidly on the floor, and then the other one just kick it out to the side. But straighten the leg out. Okay? Toes pointing forward. Probably feel a nice stretch.
Yeah.
Good. Breathe. Give me 3 breaths. In. Inhale. Exhale. And 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Bring it in gently. Okay, situate yourself. Right foot solidly on the floor. And kick out the other leg. Your left foot out. Feel that nice stretch in the thigh. Okay? Okay. Inhale. Inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale. Good. Bring it in gently. Good job. Last move, open, close. So open it up, chest. Exhale. Good. Inhale. And exhale. Give me one more. Inhale. And exhale. Nice work on these 10 Pilates inspired moves. So great job in taking the time for yourself and working on your strength and balance and also just relaxation. Huh?
Right.
All right.
Happy holidays.
Yes. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, let us know what you're doing for the holidays, and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, have a wonderful holiday season. We'll see you real soon.
See you soon.
Bye.